Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna tell you how many megapixels this device has. Okay, so basically we has the 4 models of camera. So here on the back side we have 3 models, and here we have one model of 48 megapixels. It's just normal white model. You can just easily detect where they are. So here or here or here. Yes, it's here. So here is the standard model on 48 megapixels. Here is the 48 megapixels model, and here we have the telephoto model with the telescope model. Not the telephoto, but telescope model. We can when you trying to reach for objects in the distance, you are using this model, and this model telephoto is 12 megapixels, 77 millimeters, and ultra wide model is here. Ultra wide model is 12 megapixels too. Here on the front we have single camera on 12 megapixels. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.